Hi, it's me, Mr. Duclos of 2C at Citizenship Academy. It is April 30th, and we are going to do a math lesson on doubles. You are going to need a piece of paper and a pencil, so please go get those now, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, by now you should have your piece of paper and pencil and be ready to go. So in Miss Daniels' lesson, you went over using doubles in repeated addition. So what we're going to do is make it a little bit simpler and go over our doubles facts so that you can do them like that. Now, eventually it's important that you're able to do doubles facts right from your head without even thinking about it. But today we're going to practice so that you can get there. We're going to go over the main doubles problems that you will see. There's actually no end to doubles problems. Pick any number and you can make a double out of it. For example, 234. Of course you can double it. You just do 234. And that's 8, 6, 4. So doubling is going to work with you no matter how big the numbers get. But today, we're really going to focus on the most important ones. So the first one we're going to do is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. So we're going to draw these out in pictures. You have 1, you have 1, and then we can count. 1, 2. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now that might seem really easy, but what's important is that you don't have to draw it out as you get better at math. Eventually you're going to know that 1 plus 1 is always 2. If someone says, hey, what's 1 plus 1? You won't even have to think about it. Let's move on to the next one. So we have 2 here. Now we do 2 plus 2. Well, we're going to do the same thing. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 4. That means that the double of 2, 2 plus 2, is always 4. And you want to get into a habit of not having to draw it out. You just know. Someone says, hey, what's 2 plus 2? You go, 4. All right, let's keep moving. So now we have 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Four plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. I'm going to start going through them a little fast, because even though I'm drawing them out, and it's okay if you draw them out too, we want to really try and get quick with our doubles. So next we have 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5. Now we move on to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. Next we have 7 plus 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so we count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that is 14. 8 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 2 more. So we had 16 up here. We have 9 plus 9. So make big circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 9 plus 9 equals 18. And then our last one is 10 plus 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 10 plus 10 equals 20. So for right now, when you're doing doubles, this is an okay way to do it. But we want to keep practicing because that way we don't even have to look. Watch, I'm going to cover it up. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 9 is 18. 10 plus 10 is 20. That's where you're eventually going to get to, where you don't have to look, you don't have to think about it, you just know. For now, drawing pictures is okay. All right, now go please take the quiz. When taking the quiz, I want you to try to do the answer in your head, and then if you want to check by writing it down, that's good. But I want you to try doing it just from your head. And when you're done with the quiz, make sure you do your eye ready. All right, have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.